Hello friends, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to fix Sendit not working on Snapchat. First of all, we need to update our Sendit app. To do that, open your Play Store, search here Sendit. If you see any update available here, then update your Sendit app. So our first solution is we need to reinstall our Sendit app. But before that, we need to completely uninstall Sendit app. To do that, open your phone settings, search for app management. Once you get it, tap on that, tap on Sendit, storage usage, tap on clear cache and clear data. And now all you have to need just uninstall your Sendit app and now go to your Play Store again. Reinstall Sendit app from here and then check the problem if fixed or not. And the last solution is we need to use the older version of Sendit. To do that, uninstall your current Sendit and open a browser and search for older version of Sendit. Open the first website and here you will get older version. So all you have to do is just tap any of them, tap on download and you will get APK on your device. So install the older version of Sendit and then check the problem if solved or not. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.